Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you friends how to get loan in DNB Bank. So if you want to get loan for me on this video guide, go to Google, search for DNB loan. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. From you have different offers for your loans. For example, you have home mortgages. Click this one. If you want to get this loan, click apply. So scroll down, click a calculator, this one for calculate your loan. Choose your housing price from here, choose your interest from here, choose the repayment period. From here, choose your repayment method. As you can see here, loan amount, you want to get loan. This one, click apply for loan now. After that, you will see this form page. From here, asking for price for house, for example, this one. Choose equity, it's 10% or something like this. Choose your desired loan amount. Fill this information data: first name, last name, identity number, phone number, email address. Choose your working conditions: permanent employee. Choose this state: maritals, gift, or something like this. Fill all this information here and then click on submit. This is for submit a loan. So friends, basically this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give me a like and give share this video. Just go to Google, search for loan request offer mortgages. From here you can also apply for loan and complete your all details. Thanks for watching.